If you are in Australia and are planning to visit Newcastle, then Blackbird Reserve is an ideal place to go with your family. This reserve has so much to offer you. You will love each and every second of your time spent here. And all this is completely free of cost. At the very entrance, you will be greeted by beautiful peacocks. Further ahead, there is a huge picnic space and a beautiful playground in the lap of nature. Next, we cross a creek called Black Duck Creek, and we were pleasantly surprised to see turtles. Yes, we saw turtles in this creek. Moving on, we had a second encounter with the peacock, and this time we saw this peacock dancing and cooing too.
So pretty.
Peacock sighting is such a common thing here. Every few steps you will see a peacock.
तो ऐसा लगा कॉमन मैन के जैसे घूम रहे हैं
ये नेशनल बर्ड
कहाँ की
इंडिया की
बाय
And then we started boardwalk towards the animal exhibit. This boardwalk is pram friendly, so if you have babies or toddlers, you can easily bring their pram. The wildlife exhibits open from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. every day. While walking, we were wondering if we are supposed to look for koalas sitting on the treetop, but no, they are different enclosures for different animals and birds. The previous bird was turkey, and this one is cockatoo. Look at that koala. Do you know a koala sleeps for up to 20 hours each day? And they do so because they need energy to digest eucalyptus leaves which they consume. So their sleep is more than any other animal. So this is a big enclosure where they have koalas and a lot of other different birds. On the other side, there are some reptiles too. Can you see a snake here? Next in the reptile enclosure was lace monitor. Do you know lace monitor is Australia's second largest lizard? Next we saw an owl.
See the one on the branch? See that one? Over there. Can you see?
Can you spot some green frogs here? Next was bird spotting. There were so many cute little and medium-sized birds that we saw.
बीक के साथ खेल रही है अपने
Did you see some birdies?
Yeah, they're very small.
I saw a blue one.
आगे 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 मतलब एक आगे आगे भी वाली
Can you see green?
Blue, down there.
Tiny ones.
Blue is called the fairy.
couple are sleeping on the
Fairy red.
you know and those two are sleeping.
Come, let's see brown cuckoo pigeon.
Whoa,
This is a one egg.
Come, let's spot some lizard and some turtles. This enclosure has, I think, 5 lizards and 2 turtles. Let's see how many can we spot.
कहाँ है?
एक ऊपर भी और ऊपर
तो कहाँ है इसका? और पानी में भी कुछ हो क्या?
So we have already spotted these two type of lizard and this turtle. Let's see if we can find echidna. No, I think echidna is hiding somewhere, so we couldn't find it. So next exhibit has these 5 birds. Let's see how many of them can we spot.
Where is it behind?
Towards the end is wombat enclosure. So this is the last animal exhibit here in Blackbird Reserve. Wombats, they like dark places, so we were not able to see them very clearly.
Nice belly.
This is a big wombat who is sleeping. At the end, we return to kids' playground and spend some quality time here. So this was all about our trip to the Blackbird Reserve. After this, we started our journey towards Sydney and we thought of taking a break at Caves Beach. But because the kids were slept, so we changed our plan and we took a haul at McMaster Beach, which was another beautiful place. And I will cover a blog on it sometime later. Hope you like this vlog. Please do like, share and subscribe for more of such videos. Thank you.